Part 6, the fixing of everything, and you thought you were done. All right, so you can see the issue right now is that this drawer right now doesn't line up. Okay, and the other thing too is when I pull, the whole project moves. Okay, so a couple things here. Number one, we go back to the joint, the last joint that we did, and you can see when I go over top of it, it says rigid. So I'm going to double click it. Okay, or right mouse click, I should say, and edit the joint. Now, we're not going to change anything here. We can, we'll explain that in a second. But over on the side here, motion, we're going to do not a rigid, we're going to do a slide. Okay, and you can see it slid that way. That's the wrong slide. Okay, so not on the Z axis. How about on the Y axis? No, not on the Y. Let's go on the X axis. There we go. So we hit OK. Now we can take the drawer. Now you see the whole thing moves. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to take the top. We're going to come down over here to the top, right mouse click, and if you may, this may work for you already. I don't know, but I'm going to go ground to parent. And I'm just going to say ground to parent, and nothing really moved other than it moved around. Okay, I'm going to move this around here. And now when I grab the drawer, you can see I can actually make it move. Now I can pull it right out, okay, but you can see that it moves. Okay, so I'm going to put that back in place. Now, second thing is you can see the gap here, right? And we don't want that gap. So I was out by probably a 1/4 inch here or so, but you can see it's actually, we'll use this one here. Okay, you can see I'm actually out by halfway. Okay, so if I do an inspect, and I inspect from this line to this line, it's 0.379. It's on a bit of an angle there. So it's actually 0.375, which is 3/8 of an inch. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to hide a couple things, and we're just going to make a slight adjustment to two things, all right, which are the slide rails. So I'm just going to make this easy, and I'm going to hide all of the drawer right now, okay, until we're left with the two drawer slides. Okay, now everything's got to go up 3/8 of an inch. So all we're going to do is pick this point here, this slide rail, and you can see right here, there it is, but there's the joint. Okay, I'm going to right mouse click, go edit joint, and I'm going to move it up by 3/8, right? Or in this case, I'm going to move this part down, okay? And it's going to be negative 0.375. Okay, so we're going to hit that one there. Now, what are the odds over there? That one looks like it already got done. Okay. No, it didn't get done because that one's there like that. That one's up there like that. So what happens? Let's just go and see if we turn even just the drawer front back on. Okay. So where's the drawer front right here? You can see, oh, there it is. It's fixed. Okay. Now what we can also do is take the rail, this rail here, turn it off, and you can see, okay, oh, I didn't turn all my drawers back on. There we go. You can see that it's actually lined up right in there. Okay, and if I come over to this side, I can actually take this rail, turn it off. Whoops, I took the wrong rail off. I'll turn that rail off, and I'll take this rail. There we go. And you can see, no, that one wasn't right. Okay, so again, I can pick this one, go find it in the timeline, which is right here. I'm going to go to this joint, right mouse click, go edit joint, and I'm going to move it up. Okay, by another 3. Now that's weird. I don't understand that one. Maybe I needed to go a bit higher. Okay, because the other one worked fine. Okay, so let's just cancel out of this and let's look. That drawer and everything is right there. This one is definitely wrong. So it's this joint here. That's why. I grabbed the wrong joint. Go edit joint. There we go. I just grabbed the wrong one. So I'm going to lift this one up by 0.375. Okay, and click on OK. And now we come back this way. Whoops, I went the wrong way. It should have been negative. Now I'll have to go back to this. I goofed. What else is new? That's that joint there. That's the joint there. Edit joint. And instead, we're going down, okay, from that original amount, we're going down negative 0.375. Oh, let's just get back into here and click it. Negative 0.375. There we go. Hit OK. And there you can see now it's all lined up right. Okay, so I can just turn everything back on. And it goes back on nicely. And now I can put this out here. And as I draw out, you can see everything's right now. Okay, so that fixes everything now. The only thing left was a knob on the front, which you can do, and making the colors the right colors to match your project. But there you go. Things are fixed and everything's working. And now you got a set of plans you can go for. All right, that is it. We're officially done.